Hey, what's going on, fellow growers? Thanks for tuning back in as always. Today, I'd like to talk about one of my favorite aspects of growing, right? Whether it's inside, outside, one way or another, this is one of my favorite aspects, and this is day one of harvesting, right? We're going to have multiple harvests throughout the year, as you know, because we have lettuce and many other plants, but today, I'm going to show you a quick tip of where we're at with the entire iGrow Inside system. All right, guys, one more time. Today is harvest day, so we get to walk away with a lot of mixed greens. We have tons of green beans in here that are ready to be picked, so we'll be showing you those. We have many plants on the rise right now. As you can see, there's one of our little peppers going here on the end. Our spinach is ready to be clipped. We have tons of arugula going. Obviously, the tomato plant here is going astronomically very big, as usual. But without further ado, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you what we're walking away with here today on Harvest Day. All right, guys, as you can see, another successful harvest. We got a ton of arugula and spinach here. Plenty of green beans for tonight's dinner. And then obviously a big pile of mixed greens here for us to have a nice salad with. All right. As I've said plenty of times, why grow or why buy your food when you guys can grow it right in your house? All you got to do is hit me up. I'm going to walk you through that process. It's iGrow Inside. Save yourself the time, the headache, and the shopping cart aisles, all right, when you can do it right here in your own household, all right? Much love. Cheers. Peace. Don't forget about hitting that subscribe button.